So Japanese painted ferns. Many of you probably have Japanese painted ferns that look just like this. This is kind of a follow-up video to the earlier one from last weekend where we talked about freeze damage on Japanese maples. Yes, there's no coincidence that it's another Japanese plant with some freeze damage. Unfortunately, the Asiatic species of plants that we use in our landscapes in this area are accustomed in their native habitat to more gradual springtime temperatures that don't fluctuate. So you don't have plants budding out really early in Japan getting frozen later on because their temperatures kind of stay stable. Unfortunately, here in the Ohio Valley, that is not the case. We have lots of ups and downs, mild spells followed by very cold temperatures, and this unfortunately gets a lot of the Asiatic plants into active growing. So if you have perennials, not just ferns, maybe hostas, etc., that kind of look like this, kind of fried, you can take the dead leaves off and they should recover just fine. So just take out the dead fronds back down to the crown, kind of rake that out, and you should be good to go. So no fear, I think your Japanese painted ferns will be just fine. So happy gardening, and we'll see you soon with a new video, likely posted by this weekend.